Homeless kids on the streets. For many, it's a life of daily drug use, and countless kids sell their bodies for sex. Tonight, there are two ideas to fix a broken system. Lighthouse Youth Services is teaming up with the Hamilton County Sheriff's Office and Cincinnati Police to combat homelessness by improving existing services and adding education about drug abuse and the dangers of the sex trade.
We have counselors that on a regular basis come into the jail for that group in crisis, 18 to 24, prior to being released, so that they can arrange help and services for when they are released as part of a re-entry program.
More than 1,000 teens age out of the foster care system in Hamilton County every year when they turn 18. Right now, Lighthouse Youth Services is working with state legislators to increase the age of foster care from 18 to 21. Tragically, 25% of all the homeless people in Cincinnati are children. To learn more about the fight against youth homelessness and area resources, go to WCPO.com.